We'll guide you through how to set an alarm on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Being able to go and set alarms is really convenient. Perhaps you want to go and set one to remind you to do something. For example, go and complete a task. Or alternatively, is to go and wake up. Because of course, you probably have your phone with you, and that means you've got an alarm with you. And it saves you from having to go and have a separate alarm clock. So make sure it's full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So there's actually an app already on the phone we can go and use. So we can go and swipe up and you need to go and find it. The app we're looking for is called Clock. You can always go and press search at the top and go and search for Clock and open it up. In the bottom left, make sure you go and click Alarm and you can press the plus in the top right. Now you can go and set the time, as you can see, and you can go and choose for when it is. So at the moment it's set for tomorrow. You can go and choose you want it to be every Monday or what days you want it to be. And then what you can do is you can give it a name, click on the sound here to go and change it and have it switched on. You can go and tap on vibration to go and change that, choose if you want it on. Set the snooze, I just have it after 5 minutes for 3 times, just so you don't sort of miss it. Choose the background and press save, and that's it. You can always go and turn it off if you want.